Hi guys, we received this CERRXIAN wireless earbuds for event purposes, and well, let's first take him out of the box. It's a really nice box, let's say it. It has some pretty nice design. Oh, okay, this is metal, which is nice, and here is one earbud. This is the case for charging. You just place it in, okay. Oh, the light's on. That's nice. You take the other one, okay, and you place it. Okay, this is how it looks with both on. I'm gonna leave it here, and here are the instructions. Okay, I'm gonna put this little box. Okay, comes with the cable for the charging. Just plug it in like this and connect it to your outlet of energy. It's type C, which is nice. And in here we have the instructions. Okay, so now that I've read the instructions, I'm gonna pair them with my phone right here. Okay, we just slide them like this. Okay, and now the next one. And we'll connect it via Bluetooth. These are some Bluetooth headsets that you can use them with, well, your Windows PC or your Android and iOS devices. Okay, now I found them. I'm pairing them right now. Okay, they are already connected. I'm gonna play some music and see how to use the voice assistant and all that, and all the touch operations, which are, well, really nice. Okay, to use the voice assistant you need to press the multi-function button that is right here. You can answer a call. If someone calls me, I can click the multifunction button, or in either case double click it to hang the call. Okay, to play or pause the music you just click it once. On either side it works the same. To play the next song I need to double click the right ear multifunction key, and to use to hear the previous song I double click on the left multifunction. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, they are actually really easy to use. Here is the multifunction key, this space right here. Okay, I'm gonna back. Okay, they are really easy to use. They are very comfortable. It doesn't feel like other headphones that bothers upon your ear. This doesn't do that, and they have a really nice quality. It has a lot of functions that are quite nice, and obviously you have here the packaging list, which includes, well, subset, the earbuds, the charging case, the cable, and the instruction. Okay, so yeah, this is really a nice pair of wireless earbuds, which, well, it's really nice because you can use it to play on your games on your cell phone, or go to a run, even in your work. So you can use it in many places, which is really nice and really convenient. So I will actually really recommend this.